What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I am headed to Moss Landing Pick-N-Pull. I got notifications from Pro 52 that there was a 2004 Toyota Celica GTS, and looking at the pictures, it showed that it had a Tsunami hood scoop. And so Tsunami hood scoops tend to go for a good amount of money, so I decided, hey, why not? Let's go see what's on this Celica. I actually went later in the day. This was already like 1 in the afternoon, so it had a timing window from 9 to 1 for other people to come pick at it and grab stuff from it. And I was actually shocked when I got to the yard because literally everything was still on this car. Everything. It seemed like no one had touched it and no one had removed any parts from it. So today's a good day. As you can see, Pick-N-Pull is on your left. Let's see if yep, there you go. All the cars are there. And this is my second time coming to this Pick-N-Pull. The first time I came maybe about 2 years ago, and I picked up 3 Corolla S Red Stitch, the Red Stitch 3-spoke leather steering wheels that the super guys like to buy a lot. And so here's the Celica. We can see the Tsunami hood scoop is still intact, and the 03 bumper is in really good condition. Unfortunately, the Tsunami hood scoop is carbon fiber. It does not set as much money as an OEM Tsunami hood scoop. Tsunami hood scoops OEM, I've seen them range anywhere from like $150 to $200 online or on the forums. And since carbon fiber sells for about $100 online, so it's whatever. Leather seats are in really good condition, but I did not want to pick them up. Sport pedals are there. There's the rear hatch floor mat. Ended up picking that up. The privacy cover, unfortunately, one of the rings was torn, so it would not hang from the hatch unless you would modify it in some way. Let's see what else I ended up picking up the bumper. One of my followers has been looking for an 03 bumper, so I ended up picking that up for him. And yeah, someone had actually damaged the hood release cable, so I had to manually go under the vehicle and unbolt the latch from the radiator support. I got a bit of coolant on me, but it's all good. Everything is still attached to this car. I don't know why people did not come to pick stuff at it. And here we found a Hotchkiss, or I don't know how to pronounce it, sway bar. Picked that up. It has steel braided lines. It has TN lowering springs. What else? It had eBay headlights, not worth much. It had eBay taillights that were plastic dip black, in horrible condition. Didn't pick those up. They were just ugly, horrible. Interior was decent. The only thing damaged was someone had pulled off the HVAC forcefully, and it's all broken, as you can see right there. Shift knob is gone. What else? Oh yeah, someone had, when I went to go take the parts back to the car, someone had already picked at this after I had left, and it looks like they were trying to grab the HID kit, but they ended up leaving it. Not sure why they would do that, but yeah, eBay headlights, not worth much. Did not take them. If they were OEM HIDs though, fuck yeah, I would have taken them. But I souped the intake. I ended up taking the hood scoop. I ended up taking the rear sway bar. I took the front bumper. And yeah, I'm just going over it. There's nothing much to look at it. Because the vehicle had no body damage, it led me to believe that this 2ZZ was toast, or the transmission. You can see it has a typical 2ZZ oil leak on the timing chain cover. It has eBay window guards, window visors, whatever you want to call them. It had an 03 glass sunroof. I did not pick that up. I did not need it. It sells, but for the price, I rather pass on it. So I ended up going to some orchard yard with my girlfriend. Kind of told her I was going to give her the day if she let me go to Pick-N-Pull first, and that was nice of her. And ended up grabbing some pie, which was really, really, really good. But all in all, it was a good day. I enjoyed this day. I actually like coming out here to Moss Landing, or like this area, just the countryside. I don't know. I feel like I'm an old fart, and I'm just like I'd rather be out in the country. I'm not. I don't know. I guess I'm not a city person, and it's whatever. Yes, this was a really good pick and pull score. We scored a lot. I'm glad I made the trip. I'm glad I picked all the parts. I ended up picking up everything for about $120. And at the end of the day, she ended up taking me to this awesome burger place in Santa Cruz called Burger, and had a really good day. Just all in all, I was happy. Got my onion rings right here, and my guacamole bacon burger. Yum. What was this again?
Hank Williams, like a barbecue burger.
So it's about a week later. I'm recording this. Don't ask, as I said, don't ask for anything if it's still available. Everything has been sold. Hood scoop sold first. That was I guess the big ticket item. Sold first. Like, it sold super quick. Sport pedals sold next, and then the cargo floor mat sold after that. Last, the AEM intake, because I feel like I don't know. I feel like I priced it right. The intake sells for $320 online, and it's an AEM carb legal intake, and so it was priced at $320 on eBay. So I kind of figured, I feel like $200 shipped is a really good price. So that ended up selling. I actually sold to a local friend. We're probably gonna make an install video soon about it, because I'm trying to get install videos going on of the intakes. So like, I guess I could like document it for people that buy intakes and don't get like the manuals for them to install them. Kind of helps them out. What else? The sway bar I'm keeping. I kind of felt like I overpaid for the sway bar. It ended up costing $40 at the junkyard with a $2 core. I don't know why a sway bar is this expensive at Pick and Pull, but I'm just gonna keep it. I don't feel like it can sell for much. I actually tried looking it up on eBay. I couldn't find one on eBay. And I went to the website, and apparently it was a $300 front and rear sway bar set. But it's fine. I'm gonna keep it. I'm actually gonna make another video of me removing the TRD muffler from the silver Celica. We're gonna remove it from the silver Celica, and we're gonna put it in my turquoise pearl, because the tip on my turquoise pearl, if you guys saw from previous videos, it uses an eBay aftermarket tip. It doesn't have the TRD tip, because when I got it from my friend Brian, it was damaged. But I knew about it. Like, I ended up getting it stupid cheap from him anyways. I think I paid $40 for this TRD muffler with a damaged tip. Like, Brian's been a really, really awesome friend. He's helped me out in the Celica build tremendously, and I appreciate him. But now that I have this better condition TRD muffler, I'm just going to swap them over, and while I'm swapping them, I'm going to install the sway bar, because on the instructions it says you need to drop the muffler to install the sway bar. Lucky for me, the muffler at the junkyard, what they ended up doing, it was a GTS muffler, but that big canister thing on the muffler itself, they had actually cut it off, and they just put like a bypass pipe, so it basically had that whole middle section canister removed, and just, it was most likely loud. This isn't exactly why I didn't even want to bother with the engine or the transmission, because I'm pretty sure with the way these guys did their mods, they most likely raced every car at every stoplight. Trust me, you don't want to be buying stuff from something like that. What you want to buy is from a wrecked Celica, a wrecked vehicle, any wrecked vehicle. You don't want to buy an engine or transmission from a vehicle that has no body damage, none. What does that say? Something is broken, they couldn't fix it, so they sold the car to the junkyard. peace of mind. What happens when a vehicle gets rear-ended? Works perfectly fine, got rear-ended, they don't want to fix it because probably the value's not there, so they sell it to the junkyard. That's the type of vehicle you want to be pulling an engine and transmission out of. But yeah, it is 8 in the morning. I have to get ready for work. I have to leave here in 45 minutes, so I'm probably gonna start getting ready for work. It's Monday. Oh, just like Garbyfield says, I hate Mondays. But yeah, sorry this junkyard episode was sort of different, I guess you can say, like with the towards the end, me showing you guys what I did for the rest of my day, and I guess this outro. But I'm trying to make my videos a little bit longer. I'm trying to keep them at least at the 10-minute mark, but of not bullshit. Like I don't want bullshit in my videos. But one last thing before I leave. One last thing. T-shirt designs. I'm starting to do some t-shirt designs to make maybe some available for sale in the near future. I have one t-shirt design. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, you guys probably didn't know about this, but here I am. Here I'm gonna post a picture of a t-shirt design that I got going on. If you guys like it, leave a comment, let me know. I might do a giveaway on one of these t-shirts, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video, and see you guys on the next one.